In the early hours of April 26, 1986, the world bore witness to the worst nuclear disaster in history. The Chernobyl nuclear power plant, nestled in the heart of the Soviet Union, exploded during a routine safety test, releasing a cloud of radioactive particles into the atmosphere that would blanket much of Western USSR and Europe. The immediate aftermath of the disaster was chaotic and devastating. Emergency workers scrambled to contain the spread of radiation, and the nearby town of Pripyat, home to thousands of plant workers and their families, was evacuated. The area surrounding the plant, spanning roughly 30 kilometers in all directions, was declared an exclusion zone, off-limits to the public due to the dangerous levels of radiation. This zone, where time seemed to stand still, is now referred to as the Chernobyl exclusion zone. In the wake of the catastrophe, the world was left grappling with the long-term consequences. The explosion had far-reaching impacts, not just on the people who lived and worked in the region, but also on the local wildlife and the environment. Radioactive fallout contaminated the land and water, leading to severe health issues in humans and animals alike, and causing irreversible damage to the local ecosystem. Yet, despite the devastation, Chernobyl today is not a desolate wasteland, but rather a unique place of ongoing scientific research and surprising ecological resilience. Over the past nearly 4 decades, scientists have been studying the effects of radiation on the local fauna and flora, making groundbreaking discoveries about the adaptability of life in the face of such adversity. At the same time, conservationists are working tirelessly to protect and preserve the region's biodiversity, which has shown a remarkable ability to thrive in the absence of human interference. The story of Chernobyl is one of tragedy, but also of resilience and renewal. It serves as a stark reminder of the potential dangers of nuclear power, but also as a testament to the indomitable spirit of life on Earth. As we delve deeper into the past, present, and future of this fascinating region, we invite you to join us on this journey of discovery. Despite the devastation, Chernobyl today is not a desolate wasteland, but rather a unique place of ongoing scientific research and surprising ecological resilience. The Chernobyl exclusion zone, while tainted with radiation, has become a hub for scientific research. This vast, eerily quiet zone is now a living laboratory where scientists are unraveling the mysteries of radiation's impact on the environment. One key area of study is the effect of radiation on Chernobyl's wildlife. Against all odds, the area is teeming with life. Wolves, boars, and even endangered Przewalski's horses roam freely, seemingly unfazed by the high levels of radiation. But how is this possible? Researchers are looking into these intriguing questions. They are observing animal behavior, examining genetic mutations, and studying the animal's overall health. The hope is to better understand how these creatures have adapted to such a hostile environment. Surprisingly, some studies suggest that certain species are not just surviving, but thriving in the exclusion zone. Another major focus is the study of the local flora. Despite the harsh conditions, the exclusion zone is a lush, green landscape. Scientists are studying how plants cope with radiation, looking for changes in growth patterns, genetic mutations, and overall health. The findings are astonishing. Some plants seem to have developed mechanisms to protect their DNA from radiation damage. These studies are not only important for understanding the long-term impacts of nuclear disasters, but they also contribute to the broader field of environmental science. The findings could provide insights into how life adapts to extreme conditions, which could be useful in understanding the potential impacts of climate change. And let's not forget about the microorganisms. The microbial world of Chernobyl is a treasure trove of information. Scientists are studying how bacteria and fungi respond to radiation, with some species seemingly using it as a source of energy. This research not only aids our understanding of the impacts of nuclear disasters, but also provides invaluable insights into the resilience of nature. From the wolves roaming the forest to the microorganisms in the soil, life in Chernobyl is persisting, adapting, and even thriving in ways that continue to surprise and inspire us. In the face of adversity, nature has shown remarkable resilience in the Chernobyl exclusion zone. This resilient display is most evident in the diverse wildlife that has not only survived, but thrived within this radioactive landscape. From the elusive lynx to the majestic European bison, the exclusion zone has become an unexpected refuge for these and many other species. The absence of human activity has allowed for an unexpected ecological renaissance. The forests are lush, the rivers teeming with fish, and the skies filled with birdsong. It's as if nature has reclaimed its territory, creating a unique ecosystem where wildlife flourishes against the odds. But this resurgence of life isn't just an accident, it's also the result of dedicated conservation efforts. Scientists, environmentalists, and even local communities have banded together to protect and study this burgeoning wildlife population. They've established nature reserves within the exclusion zone, creating safe havens for these creatures to grow and thrive. These reserves are more than just protected areas, they've become living laboratories, providing invaluable insights into how wildlife adapts to extreme conditions. The data gathered here doesn't just benefit the animals of Chernobyl. It could potentially help other species around the world adapt to the increasing pressures of climate change and habitat loss. At the heart of these conservation efforts is a simple yet profound truth: life prevails. Even in the most inhospitable environments, life finds a way to adapt, to survive, and to thrive. The animals of Chernobyl are a testament to this. They've endured against the odds, their very existence a powerful symbol of hope and resilience. Despite the tragedy that befell Chernobyl in the mid-80s, there's a silver lining to this cloud. The exclusion zone, once a symbol of destruction, is now a beacon of ecological resilience and renewal. It's a testament to the enduring power of nature and a reminder of the resilience of life in the face of adversity. The absence of humans has inadvertently created a sanctuary for wildlife, a testament to the power of nature to reclaim and revitalize. From a nuclear disaster to a beacon of renewable energy, Chernobyl's future holds promise. As the curtain of the past lifts, Chernobyl is revealing a new face to the world, a landscape teeming with opportunities for renewable energy. The Chernobyl region, once shrouded in a cloud of nuclear fallout, is now basking in the glow of solar panels. In the very heart of the exclusion zone, a solar energy farm has been erected, standing testament to the resilience and adaptability of human innovation. This solar farm, with its thousands of panels, harnesses the abundant sunlight that bathes the region, transforming it into clean, sustainable energy. But the sun is not the only force of nature being tamed in this land. The winds that blow across the vast plains of Chernobyl, once carriers of radioactive particles, are now being harnessed for their raw power. Wind turbines are being erected, their blades slicing the air, capturing the energy of the winds and transforming it into electricity. And there's more. The same land that once trembled under the explosion of a nuclear reactor is now being studied for its geothermal potential. Researchers are exploring the possibility of harnessing the heat from the Earth's crust to produce yet another form of renewable energy. These initiatives are not just about generating power, they are about transforming Chernobyl from a symbol of a disastrous past to a beacon of a sustainable future. They are about proving that even in the most unlikely places, renewal and growth are possible. The potential of Chernobyl is not just in its capacity to generate renewable energy, but in its ability to show the world that even the darkest chapters in our history can be rewritten. That from the ashes of disaster we can rise, innovate, and create a future that is cleaner, greener, and more sustainable. Chernobyl, once synonymous with disaster, is on the path to becoming a symbol of innovation and sustainability. This is not just a story of energy, it's a story of human resilience, of our ability to learn, adapt, and create a better future. It's a story that is still being written, and one that is sure to inspire generations to come. The Chernobyl of the past was a place of disaster, but the Chernobyl of the future promises hope. As we journey through the remnants of a nuclear catastrophe, we uncover a story of resilience and renewal. This tale isn't just about a disaster that shook the world in 1986, but a testament to how life in its most tenacious form can reclaim even the most devastated landscapes. Chernobyl, once a byword for disaster, is now a hub of scientific research. Scientists from around the globe flock to this exclusion zone, drawn by the unique opportunity to study the effects of radiation on wildlife and local ecology. Their work has led to astonishing revelations about the adaptation of fauna and flora to radiation, contributing significantly to our understanding of nature's incredible resilience. But it's not only the scientific community that's finding value in this forbidden zone. Conservationists too see promise in the eerie quiet of Chernobyl's exclusion zone. The absence of human activity has allowed nature to reclaim the land, creating an unexpected refuge for threatened species. From packs of wolves roaming freely to birds nesting in abandoned buildings, Chernobyl's wildlife is thriving, demonstrating the remarkable resilience of nature in the face of adversity. Looking ahead, Chernobyl's future holds promise not just for scientific discovery and wildlife conservation, but also for clean, renewable energy. Initiatives are in the pipeline to transform this infamous site into a pioneer of sustainable energy. Plans are being drawn up for solar and wind parks, leveraging Chernobyl's vast, uninhabited landscapes. As we reflect on Chernobyl's transformation, we realize it offers us a valuable lesson. It reminds us of the indomitable spirit of nature, its ability to heal, to adapt, and to thrive against all odds. It shows us how a place synonymous with disaster can become a beacon of hope, a place of research, a sanctuary for wildlife, and a future hub of renewable energy. The story of Chernobyl is not just a tale of disaster, but a testament to resilience, innovation, and the indomitable spirit of nature and humanity.